Oh, I cannot make it. Do you like my very bad spear?
It's hard. I know.
I can't do this.
Well, you can. Did I remember the conversation we just had about perfect?
I just really want to hug you.
Oh, thanks, sweetie. That's good. That's a good cube. If I can tell, which one are you doing, Connor? The rectangle. Oh, which one? Rectangular prism?
This one will be more easy.
I'm going to give you a clue. Draw a rectangle.
Do you have any compasses by any chance?
I don't, dear.
Everybody
Not quite so big, Connor. Draw a rectangle. That's going to be your front face. Oh, and kind of watch him and check his work if you can.